Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2005 Harley-Davidson ELECTRA Glide Classic with 37,724 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with a multifunction 2-speaker audio system and has been upgraded with a Roadsmith TRIKE kit, Roadsmith steering kit, an air horn, rear bumper, upgraded exhaust, headlight and passing lamp visors, mirrors, a tour pack, luggage rack, rider floorboards, an intake cover, fuel cap cover, passenger grab handles, an upgraded seat, axle caps, and shifter pegs. The leader of the touring class, the ELECTRA Glide has remained popular thanks to its brawny power and long-haul comfort. Powered by an 88 cubic inch V-twin motor, the ELECTRA Glide puts 67 horsepower and 86 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. In stock form, it weighs in at 776 pounds and has a 27.2-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.